Start.
Today I will start chapter 6 lines and angle, in which we have one theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So given is line AB and CD intersect at one point O. Then the vertically opposite angles are AOC, BOD, one pair of opposite angles, vertically opposite angles, and the second pair AOD and BOC. So given is line AB and CD intersect at O. Now to prove here is angle AOC equals to angle BOD, and second AOD is equals to angle BOC. Next, this is just the format of writing the theorem. First you write what is given, then next write what you have to prove, and the third next is your proof. So here angle AB is a straight line so angle AOC plus angle BOC, that is equals to 180 degree, or it is a linear pair. And angle BOC plus angle BOD, that is also 180 degree, that is a linear pair. So angle AOC plus angle BOC, that is equals to angle BOC plus angle BOD from this first and second. So angle AOC, that is equals to angle BOD. This was to prove. Similarly, angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. This was to prove these two are vertically opposite angles. So when the two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, the exercise 6.1, question number 1. A figure is given and AB, the lines AB and CD intersect at O, and angle AOC plus BOE. Sum of these two angles is given 70 degree, and angle BOD is given 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So given here is angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is equals to 70 degree, and angle BOD, that is equals to 40 degree. You have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. COE. What we have to find? Find the angle BOE and next angle COE, reflex angle COE. Now first, what is reflex angle? So here is the angle COE. Then reflex angle is, it is the Leave this angle, the rest part of this circular angle is the reflex angle. So the reflex angle is this one. It is more than 180 and less than 360. Okay, so reflex angle of this angle COE is this angle. That is 360 minus angle COE is reflex angle. Now see the figure here. AB is a line and OE and OC stand on line AB. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, that is equals to 180 degree, and given is sum of these two 70 degree. So 70 degree, sum of these two is given 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE, that is equals to 180 degree. So angle COE is 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is your 110 degree. Now we are asked to find reflex of this angle. Reflex angle COE. So I have explained you, that is your 360 degree minus 110 degree, means minus of this angle is the reflex angle. So it is 250 degree. 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 2. So it is 250 degree. Now OE stands on the line CD. OE and OB stands on the line CD. Therefore, angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD, that is equals to 180 degree. COE we have calculated, that is 110 degree. BOE that we have to find, and BOD that is 40 degree. So sum of all these is 180 degree. So angle BOE, that is equals to 180 minus 110 plus 40, 150. So this is angle BOE, that is equals to 30 degree. Now next question number 2. Here also the figure is given. Line XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B, the ratio of these two angles is 2:3. Find C. So given is A is to B, that is equals to 2:3, and angle POY, that is equals to 90 degree. To find is C. Now the solution. So XY is a line. So first let. Now question number 2, 6.1, question number 2. Line XY and MN intersects at O. If POY is 90 degree and A is to B is 2:3, find C. The figure is given. So given here is A is to B equals to 2:3 and angle POY, this one is 90 degree. We have to find this angle C, means angle XON. So let A equals to 2x and B equals to 3x. OM and OP stand on this line XY. Therefore, A plus B plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. This implies 2x plus 3x plus 90 degree equals to 180. Or this implies 5x equals to 180 minus 90 degree, that is equals to 90 degree. Or x equals to 90 by 5, that is 18 degree. Therefore, angle MOX, that is equals to B, that is equals to 3x, that is 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. And angle MOP, that is equals to A, that is equals to 2x, that is 2 into 18, that is 36 degree. Now OX stands on the line MN. OX stands on the line MN. Therefore, angle MOX plus angle XON, that is equals to 180 degree. Or B plus C, that is equals to 180 degree. Angle B we have calculated 54. So C equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree, that is 126 degree. Therefore, angle XON, that is C, that is equals to 126 degree. This is completed.